Hello everyone, it's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a metal dies unboxing. I'm super excited because I will be guest designing for KSCRAFT. I absolutely love their dies. So I did open the package already, and this is, I believe, July's release. So there's a bunch of Halloween fun dies in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go through all of them with you. So here is the shop, KSCRAFT, and they also have a YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So this first one, it is called Coffin Tag Loaded Pockets, which looks like this. How fun is this die? I love 3D projects like these where you can stuff a bunch of goodies, and it's perfect for Halloween, so you can fill it with candies, and of course we're going to use it to add embellishments in there and all that fun goodness. So here is the layered tag, and it has a spiderweb border, and I believe this one's the base. I love that this tag part where the hole punch normally goes is a bat. So it goes like this, and then you use this layer and then this one to create different pockets. How cute is that? This next one is called Spiderweb Garlands. So it comes with two different sizes. And there's also this one that's straight. I think this one is one of my favorites. It's a ghost rosette die. Look at the little ghosties. I'm super excited to play with this one. This die is called Halloween Heart Hands Mini Album. It looks like this. Isn't that super cute? And you also get this layering piece. I think this is supposed to be like the dirt, and your like hands are popping out from like the grave or something. I feel like this would be super cute to do for like non-Halloween crafts as well. Next, this one is called Spooky Bag Topper. And here's the layering piece. It's like a spider, and it has like little googly eyes on it. This one is called Poison Bottle Shaker. These are so adorable. You get two different bottles. Here's this one right here. It's a little one compared to these ones. Super, super cute. This next die is called Witch Hat Bow, which is what you get. So you get the witch's hat and cute little bow. And you get two different sizes. How cute is that? This one's also super adorable. It is called Halloween Lollipops. It's probably easier to see them like this. You get 3 different lollipops. Ghost, pumpkin, oh no, 4 of them. There's an eyeball and a bat, and you can layer them up. Ooh, this one comes with stamped images. So this one has coffins. Let me see if there's a name. I think these are just coffin tags, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, different shaped tags. There's different shapes in here, and you also get the stamp set. Here is the different sentiments: drink me, eat me, boo, poison, eek, caution, rip, beware, candy brew. Get a skull and the 31st. And the dice, the tags I mean. Ghost, pumpkin, star, coffin. There's this one right here, and this banner, flag, tag. I'm so sorry, it keeps going out of focus there. Oh, it looks like they also have a smaller bag topper for this one. So this is the large one, and you get the smaller one right here. So the same thing, you get the bag topper and then the layering pieces. That's super cute. Oh, this one's adorable. It's a heart spider web. Get 2 different sizes for the heart spider web. And then here's the layering pieces, and I think this is to make it into a tag, these right here. And last but not least, this one is called Coffin Purse Box. Oh, look how cool that looks already. Whoa, there's so many pieces. I'm definitely gonna have to see a video of how to assemble this. Well, maybe. I should be able to do it. You get so many layering pieces on here. Let's start with this. Look how awesome that looks. You can definitely make this into a shaker, it looks like. So these are the layering pieces. That looks so cool. Oh, there's a lot of layering pieces here. There's this one. I think this creates like the base, I think. And these are like the outline pieces, I think. I'm not quite sure. Here is the windows, so you can fold them and open the coffin box. It'll open like that, like a book. And look at the little hands. Is this a bow maybe? Oh yeah. So you get the bows and the layering pieces for it. And then there is this piece. Looks like this is the side. So it folds like that, and then you put this piece like so. Whoa, that's gonna be a thick coffin box. And these tabs, I'm not sure what these ones are. Oh, we'll definitely have to figure that out, but that is super cool. I did see that Hannah had a unboxing and project shares of all of these dies. I will make sure to link that in the description box so you guys can have a better look at all the dies once they're all die cutted out. I will be sharing my project shares as well, but I probably won't get started right away. But hopefully I do, because I'm really excited to play with these. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and unboxing this with me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.